Welcome back to the Built for the Trades channel. This is Dan Dowdy, the founder of Built for the Trades, and your host here, where we share strategies and insights to help you not only grow your business, but also grow yourself as a leader. Because leadership is influence, and the more that you can grow, the more the people around you can grow. So welcome back. Today I want to take you through some of the things that I wish I would have known before I started my plumbing business. It's essential steps to building a successful plumbing business. You see, when you start a business, you do it because you're good at the trade and you're tired of being told what to do, and you want to make money and not really have a cap on what it is you can't make. So you go out and you work hard. You have a good word of mouth clientele and you make money. But one day you wake up and you think, I need more clients. And where is all my money going? So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps that will help you not only price better, but market better, and also retain the money that you bring into your organization. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor here. Project to Payment is a up and coming, leading invoicing, estimating software for trades businesses out there. In our link below, we have a link specifically for Built for the Trades. When you sign up to that link, you get your first 3 months free. I don't know about you, but that's pretty hard to beat. So some great advice that my dad gave me early in my entrepreneur career. He said, son, before you need these people, you need to have a good CPA, a good attorney, and a good small business banker. And before you need them, you should build a relationship with your CPA, your attorney, and your small business banker. I just wanted to preface this topic and talk about that for a minute. It's not even part of the 3 steps, but those things, I mean, that's really good wisdom, because when you do need these professions, you want to have that relationship built so that way there's trust there. CPA, your attorney, and your small business banker, all very important. So let's talk through step 1. So once again, people start their business. First thing they're going to do is call their competitors and ask how much they're charging. And they're going to use that number as a determination of what it costs for them to do business. That is not a bad strategy, right? That's a strategy that a lot of us take. But the problem with that strategy is we end up pricing ourselves for what we can afford to work for right now and not 2 or 3 years from now. Let me dive deeper into that for you. See, as you look further down the road, you're going to need to be charging enough money now so that way you have a profit to be able to reinvest back in your business, to purchase trucks, purchase equipment, hire employees, get a building, so on and so forth. So if you're so cheap now that you're just making ends meet and you have no way to save money, I'm here to take whatever price that you've determined that is, the strategy that you determine. Let's just say it's $200 an hour is what I'm going to charge my customer. I want you to add 50% to that. So now you should be charging $300 an hour in order for you to get the income that you need to grow your business. When I say that, you may be thinking, Dan, you're crazy. I can't charge $300 an hour. But I bet there is a price that you can charge that is higher than what you're currently charging right now. Because in the 3rd step, I'm going to tell you how to keep that money so you can reinvest it back into your business. The other thing when it comes to step 1 and it comes to just growing your business, I want you to own who you are. Stop trying to be your competitor. Stop looking around you and focusing on so much of what they are doing. Know who you are, know what your values are, know what area of your plumbing that you want to focus on. It could be new construction, remodels, commercial, residential, service, so on and so forth. And start to attract that customer base and start to focus on that, because early on we're all things to all people, but we soon realize that not all customers are created equal. Some actually pay their bills, and those are the ones that we want to focus on. And we don't want to overextend ourselves going out on projects that we can't afford to not get paid on. That is a good rule of thumb. If you're on a project that you couldn't afford to not get paid on, you should not be doing that project. So in step 1, I really wanted to wrap this topic up into know your value. Know what you should be charging in order to grow your business for the future. And once you determine that, own who you are and stop trying to be your competitors and start to focus on what you're good at in the plumbing industry. Step 2, generating leads. This goes back to you started your business, you've been getting word of mouth, and, you're doing really good, but eventually you hit this ceiling where you just can't get enough calls to hire the next person. I'm here to tell you right up front, put 10% of your income into your marketing efforts. And that's not just paying 10% of your income to an online marketing company. That's only a small piece of that puzzle. I want you to make sure you have a good website. The path of resistance for customers to get you is removed. They can text you, they can book online, they can call you, so on and so forth. Have somebody manage your search engine optimization on your website to make sure that you're organically ranking. And then at that point, start to focus on some of the cheaper, underrated marketing efforts. Networking groups like BNI, joining chambers, using yard signs and stickers whenever you go to customers' house, email marketing, social media, all those platforms is where I would want you to invest that full 10% of your income in. If you do that up front as you start your business, you're not going to have a lead generation problem. You just won't. And the other thing is just continue to focus on getting reviews and continue to get reviews and continue to get reviews, because that's going to make a huge difference. Number 3 here, this one's probably the most important one. Money's flowing in, but how do you manage the cash flow? What do you do? See, a lot of people start their business and they don't think about getting a program like QuickBooks or hiring a bookkeeper. They're trying to do it all themselves. They don't think about setting money aside in case business stops coming in. I'm going to walk you through that a little bit. First thing is, you really need to hire a bookkeeper that you trust. Bookkeeping, it does not require a license. So anybody can call themselves a bookkeeper, just like anybody can call themselves a coach. You need to know that they're credible and that they have been there and done that. And I would lean on some type of referral to know that they know what they're doing. Hire you a bookkeeper, get you QuickBooks, and start to get you a monthly profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Get ready for that, because the IRS is going to come knocking and you want to have all that in order month by month and not wait for the end of your first year to get those things in order. The other piece to managing your money is what I like to call profit first. There's a great book out there by Mike Michalowicz called Profit First that really dives into this topic, but I'm going to keep it really simple for you in this video here. What I want you to do is, you probably already have a checking and a savings account opened up at your business bank. I want you to open up 2 more accounts for me. I want you to open up another savings account that's called your profit account, and I want you to open up another savings account called your tax account. So at this point, you may have 3 or 4 accounts in there. But as the money comes in to your income account, I want you to take 5% of that income and put it into your savings. And then I want you to take 10% of the income and put it into your tax account. And let that money live there until it's time to pay your quarterly taxes. Now you have money set aside to pay your taxes. I want you to let that profit account live there until you have enough money in that account that you feel that you could run your business on that money for 3 months straight. And for a lot of businesses out there, that's going to be $50,000 to $100,000. So it may take a while for you to build that up, but that is going to be one of the best things that you do. Once you build that nest egg up in that profit account, then you can start to pay yourself owner draws every quarter from that account and start to make additional money out of your business. That is so important, because it's not just about making money. If you're making money, but yet you're spending it quicker than you can make it, you're always going to be on that hamster wheel stuck in the same place. So managing your money is going to be very important. Just to recap this, I want you to lean into the price that you need to go to market in order to earn enough income to grow your business for the next 2 to 3 years. Invest in marketing. Take 10% of your income and invest in marketing streams. And remember that that's not just buying ads on Google. There are so many other inexpensive ways through networking, through yard signs, through stickers to generate leads, social media, reviews, so on and so forth. And then when it comes to managing your money, hire a bookkeeper you trust, get QuickBooks, use the Profit First method. And if you want to dive more into what that looks like, read the book Profit First. And my hope is today that I have given you some insight that is different than what you were going to do when you start your business, or what you have done maybe 6 months or a year or 2 years into running your plumbing business. These things will help you be successful. Please like and share and subscribe to this channel. And once again, thank you for joining us here at Built for the Trades. I'll talk to you next time.